Here we go. We're still reviewing the A and the I sound. So the first word, the same word is P. And P. And. That's pin. Pan. That's right. And din. Pan and pan. What about the next one? Ig. Wig. Oh, there it is. Wig. Wag. Wit. What about this one? Lid. Lid. Lad. Lid. Lib. That's right. Lid. Lid and lid. What about this one? Add. Dad. Add. Dad. Ab. Dab. Bad. Bad. What about this one? At. Sat. It. Sit. At. That's right. Sat and sat. What about this one? Sad. Sad. Here we go. In. And. In. Tin. Tin and tin, right? Sangasi. Knit. Knit. That's right. Has. Has. Is. His. As. Has. Ag. Hag. That's right. Has and has. Good job. Here we go. We got some more at sound, right? And pan. Like, what is it? That's right. Pan. Gatat. Ag. B-A-G. Put it on the line. Make sure your G goes under the line like the P. Bag. That's right. Bag. Not bat and not light, right? In. Win. W-I-N. Win. No. No. Yes. Win. Tonight. He's the winner. Ig. Wig. W-I-G. Wig. That's right. Wig. Not wag, right? The dog is wagging his tail. Add. Mad. M-A-D. Where's mad? That's right. He's mad. Or angry, right? Sip. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. 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 Yes. She's sipping a drink. Sip. Lip. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. 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 That's right. Limfipak, no? Lip. Good job.